Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Haha. Anyhow, today is Saturday, and it is also meal prep for my dad. So many of you know I am my dad's caregiver, and cooking is not one of his things. He does really good at burning water. I didn't even think that was possible, but that's my dad. So anyhow, let me show you what I am doing. So I had to make another meatloaf, and we got rice because he doesn't like mashed potatoes, and we've got lots of healthy vegetables, and this is our output. So every week I batch cook things that he likes that are nutritious and not from a box and not processed food, so that I know that he's eating good. And it's one of the things that I love to do because I do love to cook and I love to bake. So it makes me feel good that I'm giving my dad nutritious meals that he can eat, and I don't have to worry about him going without. He's able to make like his breakfast, and he can make a sandwich, but a lot of times he gets sidetracked with his memory issues and he'll forget to eat. So this way I've got stuff in the freezer and I can remind him to take it out and heat it up, and everybody's good in my house. So that's just another tidbit about me.